Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is finally here, my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. I've been waiting over a year to apply and get this card, which I'll go over why in a few moments. But in this video, I'm going to go over, what you need to know when applying for the card, the benefits, and whether or not it's worth picking up. But before that, my name is Will. I go over travel and travel work credit cards. Hit that little red subscribe button for more videos. Be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's go ahead and jump into it. So I was going to do like a little unboxing, but it's really nothing too sexy here. It's just an envelope with a bunch of paperwork, which you should keep. And here is the card itself with its new design, which I'm definitely feeling quite a bit. And then here we have, the old design. This is my wife's card actually. So this is the old design. Definitely feeling the new one better. But let's go ahead and talk about things you need to know when applying for this card. So the first thing that you need to know is going to be that Chase 524 rule. So this rule states that if you've opened up 5 credit card accounts in the past 24 months, well, Chase is just going to deny you outright. And this goes for any credit card that you see on the Chase website, not just the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So if you're, not sure what you've been doing over the past 24 months, just pull your free credit report. You get one free from each of the 3 credit bureaus every year. I believe Chase uses Equifax, but it shouldn't matter because your credit cards will appear on all of your credit reports. But just see what you've opened up in the past 24 months, and then if it's 5, then well, you're not gonna be able to do it. You gotta wait till you get under that 524. So just something to keep track of when you're doing this credit card journey. And I personally keep a spreadsheet with all this information so that I just have it handy. So the next rule that you need to know about is that you can only have one Chase Sapphire card on your account. So you can either have the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve. You cannot have both. And then the final rule that you need to know is really related to the sign-up bonus. You can only get the Chase Sapphire sign-up bonus, so either Reserve or the Preferred card, once every 48 months. So these rules are pretty much why most of us credit card YouTubers recommend people to start with Chase first when they're doing this credit card, journey or game. And that's because you want to be sure that you get as many cards as you possibly can in those 24 months. And you want to make sure that they're Chase because no other bank has that type of rule. And you want to make sure that you start the clock on that 48 month for the sign-up bonus as soon as possible. And a question that I get pretty often is what kind of credit score do I need for whatever credit card? And it really does vary. So they don't just look at your credit score, they look at your income, they look at how many cards you've opened up recently, they look at the type of credit that you actually have on your credit report. So there's a lot that goes into it. But according to Credit Karma, they say that you need somewhere between a 700 and 730 to get this card. And it may dip a little bit below that and like in the very high 600s. But if I were you, I would be aiming to have around a 730 to apply for this card. Now, if you deny this card or any other Chase card, like I was just a few weeks ago when I applied, well, Chase does have a reconsideration line that you can call within 30 days of the denial to see if they can, look at your application again. They may just need some additional information. Now, the reason that I got denied for this card was because I applied a little bit too early. So the reason that I was waiting a year to get this card was because I was waiting to get back under 524. So that just happened at the end of July, and I just happened to apply a week too early. I don't know why, because I knew the exact date I could apply and be under 524, but I pulled the trigger too early. I guess I was just too excited. But yeah, I called. That's what they said. I was still under or over 524. So then I called back again just a week ago. So a couple weeks after I was under 524, and they just reviewed my application again, asked me some questions like, what's this account, which was my student loan account. So they had questions about that. They were asking me about a authorized user card. So I am an authorized user on one of my wife's cards that she got just a few months ago. And I told them I was just an authorized user. I wasn't responsible for the payment. So they don't look at that. They don't count that. You just have to be sure to tell them that, because then it doesn't really show on your credit report if you're an authorized user or not. And then that was pretty much it right there. She applied for my card. And another reason that you may be denied is because you have too much credit with Chase. So Chase may have extended you too much credit on a couple of other cards, and they don't feel comfortable extending any additional credit to you. So they'll ask you if you want to say, take some of that credit from some of your other cards and apply it to this new card. And that's something that they can do. So You can only call and do that, but I hear going forward they're going to start doing that online. Once you submit your application, that's going to be something that you can just do, automatically. So that's pretty much all you need to know when it comes to applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, or really just any Chase card in general. Now let's go ahead and talk about the fun stuff, and that's the benefits. Now, actually, before the fun stuff, guys, there is an annual fee with this card. It's $95 per year. That's not waived in your first year, so just be prepared to pay that on your first statement. All right, so now the fun stuff, the benefits. So the first one is going to be that sign-up bonus of 100,000 points once you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months. So that is a huge sign-up bonus. And how much that's worth is depending on how much you value Chase Ultimate Reward points. And pretty much it's somewhere between 1 and say 2 cents per point is what some of the travel blogs say, like the Point Guy. Now, if you're not familiar with how points and airline miles are valued, I'm gonna throw a slide up on the screen just for a few seconds. So hit that pause button and read through it, and then we'll jump in on the other side. So that's how points are valued. So say if you were to just use these points for a statement credit, you can do that with Chase at a 1 cent per point valuation. So that 100,000 sign-up bonus is going to be worth $1,000. So you pay a $95 annual fee, you get $1,000 just for the sign-up bonus. So yeah, the card is definitely worth picking up. Now, the preferred card does give you a 25% bonus if you were to use your points towards travel on the Chase travel portal. So that, 100,000 points is going to be worth $1,250. And then say you were to transfer your points to one of Chase's many transfer partners, well, you're going to be able to get even more value most of the time. You should be able to get more than 1.25 cents per point valuation. You should be able to get maybe 1.5 to 2 cents per point. In my experience, I've gotten like 3 cents per point, 2 cents per point quite often. So you can definitely get a lot of value when it comes to transfer your points out to one of Chase's transfer partners like Hyatt or Virgin Atlantic. All right, so that's the sign-up bonus, and already just kind of a no-brainer reason as to why you should get this card. I'm gonna have my referral link down in the description below, as well as the comments. So if you want to support the channel, definitely check that link out. I would greatly appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and talk about some other benefits with this card, and let's first talk about the amount of points that you get with your actual spend. So with this card, you're gonna get 5x points on all travel purchase through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. So the Chase travel portal allows you to buy airline tickets, hotels, car rentals, cruises. If you want to book activities, you can also do that straight through the Chase travel portal. It's actually powered by Expedia, at least for now. Sometime in the future, they're going to switch to their own in-house travel portal, I guess, because they just acquired a company to do that. So 5x points on all travel purchase, 3x points on dining, which includes eligible delivery services such as Uber Eats or Grubhub and stuff like that. And it does include takeout and dining out as well. You get 3x points on select streaming services, which pretty much everything really. Netflix, Hulu, SiriusXM Radio, ESPN, Disney Plus. All that is included under streaming services. And then you get 3x points on online grocery purchases, including meal kit delivery services such as HelloFresh. But it does exclude Target, Walmart, and wholesale stores. Those have never been considered grocery stores with any of the credit card companies. Now, the online grocery purchases does include pickup as well as delivery. They don't have a list of grocery stores that I can find, but if you guys have any information about which grocery stores are maybe excluded for some reason, please let me know down in the comments below. But I assume it's just any grocery store such as Kroger, Publix, Whole Foods that offers, online purchase and pickup and delivery services should be included in that. And then you get 2x points on all other travel purchases not booked through the Chase travel portal. So if you book directly with the airline, directly with the hotel, or through some other online travel agency, stuff like that. It also includes little things such as if you want to pay for parking, if you want to take Uber or Lyft or stuff like that. Travel is a very broad category when it comes to Chase. So some of the travel benefits that come with this card is going to be a new credit. It's going to be a $50 statement credit towards a hotel stay booked through the Chase travel portal. So you got to book it through the Chase travel portal, not directly with the hotel, but this isn't too bad. I mean, it's a $95 annual fee card. You get a $50 statement credit, but you got to be sure that the actual hotel that you're booking on the Chase travel portal is at a reasonable price, meaning that the price isn't inflated compared to other, online travel agencies or either directly with the hotel. So just keep that in mind. And I've already talked about this, but because you have the Sapphire Preferred card, you do get a 25% bonus when you use your Ultimate Reward points on the Chase travel portal. And there are some other benefits that you should know about when it comes to travel with this card. You do get primary car rental insurance, trip interruption cancellation insurance, trip delay insurance, baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, extended warranty protection, as well as purchase protection. So you got a lot of little insurances here when it comes to your travel plans. If they're getting canceled, delayed, if you lose your baggage, or if it's a baggage is actually delayed. That's actually happened to me before. You get a nice little stipend every day that your bag is delayed. So nice little benefits that you get with the Sapphire Preferred card. And again, it's only a $95 annual fee card. So these are definitely great benefits to have. Now, right now, the card does have some temporary benefits, and they are a $60 credit towards eligible Peloton digital or all access membership through the end of 2021, and you do get a complimentary year of DoorDash Dash Pass membership as long as you activate it before the end of the year. So that's everything about the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So is it worth it? Absolutely. I mean, it's $95. You get that huge sign-up bonus right now. And then say if you were to just use the card for restaurants, let me do a little break-even calculation for you guys right now. You would have to spend $3,166 per year in the restaurant category. So that's $264. And that's if you only value the points at say 1 cent per point, and you were going to just do a statement credit. If you were going to, use them for travel, which has a higher valuation, it's definitely going to be less of a break even just to pay off that $95. Plus, again, you do get that $50 statement credit towards a hotel. You got to factor that in as well. So right now, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is looking really good. And I always recommend people to start with the Chase Sapphire Preferred card when they're jumping into this travel reward credit card game. And that's because 1, the annual fee is low, 2, the sign-up bonus is really high, and then 3, if you want to get that Chase Sapphire Reserve card, which does offer more benefits, and I do think you get more value from it, you can upgrade from the Sapphire Preferred card to the Sapphire Reserve card after a year of having it on your account. So my wife literally just did that a few weeks ago. We upgraded her card to the preferred, or from the preferred to the reserve card, because we wanted to use the Chase travel portal for some travel that we had booked. And that difference with the Chase Reserve card is that you get 1.5. So you get a 50% bonus with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card on the travel portal. So that difference between the 50% and the 25% is definitely a big deal if you're going to be using a lot of points. Plus, you do get some other benefits with the Sapphire Reserve card, such as a $300 travel credit that's really easy to use. Plus, you get some lounge access as well if you go to the airport. So that's my little quick comparison when it comes to the Sapphire Reserve card versus the Sapphire Preferred card. They're both really great cards, but I do recommend you getting the Preferred card, especially with the sign-up bonus right now of 100,000 points. With the Reserve card, I think it's only 60,000 points. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about the Chase Sapphire Preferred card and just Chase in general and what they're doing with their card setup. I'm a big fan of Chase. I also have Amex, but they each serve their different purposes in my opinion. I can't really say one is better than the other, but yeah, let me know down in the comments below, guys. But thanks for watching, guys. Again, be sure to smash that like button. It's an easy way to support the channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.